Alright, I have with me Connor and Michael and Ryan and their assistant Peyton. And they are making the double rhombus. Boys, first of all, can you tell me the geometry in that word rhombus?
The geometry of the rhombus, as you can see, is a descendant of the parallelogram.
It has 4 congruent sides. All sides must be parallel, and it must have 4 sides to be a quadrilateral. The rhombus can have 4 right angles, but it does not have to.
Good. And if it does have 4 right angles, then that makes it a what?
A square.
Good. Could a rhombus be a rectangle?
No.
No.
Why not?
A rectangle cannot be a square.
Because its sides are not congruent.
Good. All right.
Okay, so you're going to take your first band, and you're going to go from the first peg to the peg on the left, and just hook it like that. And get your next band, and go from the first peg again to the peg on the right this time. And then you're going to get your next color, which mine is going to be black, and you're going to go up from the left peg, up 1. And then you're going to get your 4th band, and you're going to go from the second peg to the middle peg. And then you're going to get another one of these, and go from here to here. And then get your 4th one, and go from your right peg, up 1. And then get your 5th black band, and you go from the middle, up 1.
Okay, can you lay on the table, please, for me?
It should look like that.
All right, boys. Tell us about the geometry you see in this so far.
Right now, we see a rhombus here
Okay.
and parallel here. These 3 lines are all running parallel, which means they will never intersect.
Good. And what makes that a rhombus that you see there?
Because here's one corner, second, third, and then 4th.
They all have acute angles. They're all congruent.
And acute is smaller than 90 degrees.
Okay.
And it does not have right angles, but it can if
If it's a square.
yes.
Good. And most importantly, all 4 sides are congruent. Good.
And
All
a
right.
square can be a rhombus, but a rhombus can't be a square.
Very good.
Okay, so you're just going to do it again, and you're going to go from this peg to the left peg. You're going to go from this peg to the right peg again. And then you're going to use a different color. Mine's going to be blue. And you're going to go from the 3rd left peg up 1. And then you're going to go from the 3rd left peg to the middle.
Looks like she's getting ready to create another rhombus.
And then you're going to go from the 3rd right peg. Wait. Yeah. 3rd right peg to the middle. And then you're going to go
like that.
with the 3rd right peg up 1. And then the 4th middle peg up 1. And it should look like this.
All right. So she's got 2 rhombuses.
And then you're just going to continue this pattern all the way up.
Okay. And then just briefly tell us, Peyton, what will we do at the end once we've gone all the way up?
At the end, you will start hooking your bracelet. And okay. And you're just going to go grab the green band on the center pin, and you're going to loop the green band straight up to the next pin. You're going to grab the green on the left pin, hook it, loop the green band straight up to the next pin, and then grab the green right pin, hook it up, and then you're just going to keep on doing that all the way up.
Okay. All right. So if you do that and then clip it at the end, right?
Yes, and then, no, not yet. You're going to put your hook in, and you're going to put a band onto it, and you're going to pull it through, so that way you have something to hold on to, and you're going to slide your hook in, and then you're going to just rip it off.
Okay. So then you will end up with a double rhombus. Where did our double rhombus go? So your final product, you don't really see the rhombus in. Here's our final product. I wonder if you can see it on the back side of it. I don't see the rhombus in here. Do you? No. So the rhombus shows up actually on the loom itself. We'll get one more look.
Stick out on it.
They do. They're kind of funky looking. Okay, so one more look at that double rhombus. All right. Thank you, Peyton, their assistant, and thank you to Connor and Ryan and Michael.
Wait,
The double rhombus.